What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chris Cage coming at you 2 times, and it's time now, once again, everybody, it's time for Hot Wheels All Out. We're back, ladies and gentlemen, for another Hot Wheels All Out year. And this ain't just any special year. No. This is the 10-year anniversary of Hot Wheels All Out. Now, some of y'all are wondering, 10 years? But I first saw this on YouTube in 2017 or 2018. And some of you are saying, well, wait a minute. I mean, I follow you on Instagram. I saw this in like 2016. It ain't been 10 years. Well, if some of you who subscribe to me know me personally, I've actually created this mega tournament in 2013 in where I used to live in an apartment, and there is footage of that if you go to older YouTube videos of mine. So basically, back in 2013, I figured, why not race all of my cars that I collected all at once, multiple heats, multiple rounds, and we'll see who the fastest car is for that month. It started off as a monthly thing, but then as the collection grew and grew, it turned into be, okay, every so often months, like bi-monthly or halves. And then it turned into divisional winners. And it turned into then a 1 year, let's race everything in one collection type deal. And then, I think it was 2019 or 2020, you might have to check the tape, but either one of those 2 years, that was when I switched into just multiple divisions, round by round eliminations, one winner. And then afterwards, after everything's said and done and all the racing dust and smoke is cleared, then we have the finals, where we find the fastest cars of the years for their multi-divisions, for rubber tires, for plastic tires, and everything. Now, I will address something that I did say at the end of last year's All-Out tournament, where I expected to change up the format. Well, as you can kind of see, ain't shit changed. Partially due to my low energy, and partially because the bins I want, I have to search high and low for them, and I don't know where to look. So we are stuck with this format until I find something different. But we will not be doing elimination style. We will be doing round-by-round eliminations. We're going back to that because that seems more efficient than the other way. So with that said, I'm wishing all the cars good luck in this heat-by-heat tournament. Not one-on-one. That's towards the end. And as always, if you want to buy something from the Sunflower Gifts, just to let you know, the link is in the description below in all videos. So, with that said, it's time now to kick off Hot Wheels All Out with our first round as we are racing NASCAR Basics for the first time. Alright, y'all, round 1. It's time to go all out, which means it's time for the first time in over a year to hear those famous words from our finish line.
Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane!
And here we are, your first 6 getting ready to race. First race, let's kick it off. Let's go.
Winner! Lane 2.
And your first winner is number 94, McDonald's Thunderbird. Right, y'all, next race.
Winner! Lane 2.
You're going to lane 2, and your winner is number 32, Tide Taurus. All right, next race.
Winner, lane 2.
Going to lane 2 again, and your winner, I believe, is number 22, Caterpillar Pontiac. By the way, I should note, you should expect to hear ambience in almost every Hot Wheels all-out race because I'm not filming this shit in silence. Okay, I'm going to be filming this with ambience, so I might have a YouTube video playing. I might have my air purifier with no filter currently playing or going off in the background. It's going to be a lot of ambience here. So, yeah, just I give you a forewarning. Anyways, next race. Plus, I'm a little spicy.
Winner, lane 2.
By the way, when it comes to my choice of words. Winner is number 36, Skittles Pontiac. All right, next race. A little bit of a random selection there with a couple of cars. But your winner, once again, is in lane number 2. So lane 2 is a favorite so far. Number 43, STP Pontiac gets the win. Another winner in lane 2. This might be a highlight in of itself. Lane 2 winners all throughout the day. Number 4, Kodak Max 1999 Monte Carlo gets the win. Next race.
Winner.
Yet again in lane 2, another winner, and it goes to number 45, Sprint 99 Monte Carlo. All right, getting down to the second to the last race.
Winner.
And the streak is broken by your winner in lane 1, which is number 21, Sitco Thunderbird. Then we got the last two. We are guaranteed a Monte Carlo stalker is winning, but will it be the number 5 Cornflakes or number 91 Spam? Let's race. It will be the number 5 Kellogg's Cornflakes Monte Carlo. With that out the way, excited to see all your round 1 finalists move on to round 2. Look at that. Round 1 is over, and round 2 begins up next. All right, time for round 2. We mix them all up so that they can race again. Here's your first of 3 heats.
Winner, lane 1.
We go into lane 1 with our winner, being number 36, Skittles Pontiac. All right, heat number 2. Let's roll.
Winner, lane 5.
Going to lane 5, and your winner of that one is number 45, Sprint 99 Monte Carlo. We got your final race. Time to see who'll move on to the finals.
Winner, lane 3.
Going to lane 3, and your winner is the number 5, Kellogg's Cornflakes Monte Carlo. So with that out the way, here are your finals. Our finalists for the finals. Number 5 car, number 45 car, and the 36 car. These 3 in that beautiful display shelf are going to be racing in the finals to determine the winner of the Hot Wheels All Out NASCAR Basics Race 1. The finals starts now. All right, here's the finals. This is what we're going to do. First one to 3 wins is your winner. Let's go.
Winner, lane 3.
So the first winner comes in lane 3, and it's the number 45 Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 1.
The Kellogg's Cornflakes Monte Carlo has gotten the win. Going to lane 3, and your winner is the number 45 Sprint 99 Monte Carlo, who's gotten a second win. He has to get one more win in order to become the all-out finalist. All right, if the 45 car wins, then he is your all-out winner. If not, then we'll just have ourselves a second or first win. Let's see who wins this run.
Winner, lane 3.
Now it's a bit of a battle because the number 5, Kellogg's Monte Carlo, also has the second win. So it's between the 5 and the 45 car, and we'll have to see which one of those two will get that win and become an all-out finalist. All right, lane 1 to lane 5. One of these two is going to win it. Let's drop the gate and let's see who wins it.
Winner, lane 1.
Well, after that great run, we have ourselves one final winner. Your winner for Hot Wheels All Out NASCAR Basics race number 1 is the number 45 Sprint 99 Monte Carlo. It has become your winner for today's Hot Wheels All Out race for NASCAR Basics. So congrats to him. Here he is, your winner of Hot Wheels All Out NASCAR Basics number 1. Wait a minute. Okay, let me start over. Here he is, your winner of Hot Wheels All Out NASCAR Basics race number 1, the number 45 Sprint 99 Monte Carlo. He has won today's race, beating out the other two castings, and also beating out the number 5 car, who also has gotten 2 wins to its name. And ladies and gentlemen, that will do it for today's Hot Wheels All Out race. Next time we'll see you, we're going to be running these back again with race number 2. So stay tuned for that. And on that note, we'd like to say thank you for tuning into this video. Hope you like it. Give it a comment. If you're brand new here, be sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bells as well. It's your boy Chris Cage, and I'm coming at you 2 times, and we will see you at the next video.